Hello LAC 480 spring semester students. This is the first week of the class and I am going to show you exactly what you should be doing and your routine to get through the class. It's going to start off a little bit easy this week, and I will go to the website here, and that's Blackboard, the discussion board. So each week you're going to have a video and I'm going to go over the assignment and go over some other things as well. So one of the things that you may want to do this week, because there's not a lot of written work yet, is just to get acquainted with Blackboard if you haven't already. And there are some things here such as helpful library resources. I don't know what to do is a thing that I'll point out. You may want to look at that. Important documents to help you get an A for the class. Let's look at that for a second. And this is things I noticed from your first papers. So I did this before, and it's usually a thing that you can avoid. If you don't look at this, then it'll probably be something I noticed from your first papers. Formulating a research question and a hypothesis, conducting research, and so on. And planning and drafting is another thing here. The helpful library resources, that's a lot of stuff put on by Maureen from the library. So she's a research librarian, Maureen Perry. She'll be part of this class in terms of helping you as well. And remember that each week there are going to be videos. This is going to get longer and longer, and they're going to be explanations of things. But I'm going to put down this video there as well as putting it in the announcement. So each week you're going to get an email with an announcement, and it's going to appear. I haven't put this one up yet, but this is from last week, and it'll be a video. You should look at the video because that's the explanation of the assignment for the week. Yes, the assignment's on the syllabus, but sometimes it gets changed a little bit. In fact, this week's has already changed for a particular reason. So I'll go back to the discussion, and if you look at discussion 1, this is you will submit your work on Blackboard right here on the discussion board. You don't email it to me. You put it here because it's a public forum, and I want people to take a look at it, and I want them to discuss it and also to respond. So you will submit your work on the discussion section of Blackboard. Once you complete your work, you will respond to at least one student post before that specified deadline. So for this week, very easy. For the first discussion, tell us about yourself, your major, your hobbies, interests. I know some of you are graduating or hope to graduate in May, and so that's going to be something we can talk about in terms of how exciting that can be for you. And also you will look at your text, the Easy Writer, and you will read these pages just to get to be introduce you to the world of academic writing. Okay, and you will respond by Friday, January 25th. That's a week from this video, and you will respond to a student in your class and one of his or her posts by January 30th as well. And I do appreciate creativity, so be as fanciful and free as you want. Now's the time. When it comes to writing a paper, not so much, but this is the place to do it. Alright, so again, I welcome you back to I welcome you back to the class and to the spring semester, and I wish you the best. And let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.